Kitchen 101. Your home movie night is about to get more exciting and delicious because now you can add the irresistible flavor of bacon to your popcorn. Here's how. The next time you cook up some bacon, transfer the leftover pan grease into a container and store it in the refrigerator. Then, for your next movie night snack, use the bacon grease instead of the usual vegetable oil to pop your popcorn. You'll infuse the whole batch with indulgent bacon flavor. Better yet, prepare some bacon that night, right before the movie, and chop up the cooked bacon strips into bits. Sprinkle them into your popcorn batch, so you and your family can enjoy fresh, warm bacon bits in every handful of popcorn. Add some melted butter, and you've got yourself a real movie night feast. Also, try adding dried herbs like rosemary and thyme to create some really interesting flavor combinations. Happy popping! See you next time!